Hey, my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans. I'm here with another one. But first, like always, I have to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, people. And thank you for all the condolences for my sister. Again, I've been getting more condolences for her. I appreciate it. Thank you for the prayers and the blessings. You know, you guys have really touched my heart, and I hope that I'm touching you guys' heart too. So, today, I want to say thank you to my subscribers, to all of them, new, old, future, those who are not subscribers that's going to subscribe. I say thank you. Come on in here. Let's hang out. Let's get to know each other and be friends, and be friends, and be friends. So, on that note, today I'm going to make something that half of you guys probably haven't really heard of or tried or anything. But hopefully, this video will get you guys to try it. I am going to make some corn fritters. I don't know where they originated from. I know I used to eat them in a restaurant that was called Sizzlers. I don't know if you guys remember, that was years and years and years ago. It was either Sizzlers or Beefsteak Charlie. So you know that got to be something old, old, old. But it came to my mind the other day because I was thinking about it. I wanted to get some, and they was only like at buffets when you go. And all the buffets that I go to, they don't have them. When I was working, I used to work at a hospital for a long time, and it was a Korean type store, I guess, or you know, they would have a buffet. That was way before COVID. And I could go there every Wednesday or Thursday or something like that and get corn fritters. But today we gonna make our own. I got 1 can of sweet cream corn. Now, me and you guys are gonna walk through the other ingredients, and we're gonna deep fry them, and we're gonna make us some corn fritters. So on that note, thank you for watching. If you make it to the end of the video, oh, as you see, I got on an apron. I'm trying something new, and guess what? I got my new glasses. They're progressives. I'm kind of getting used to them. I used to wear bifocals, but I said let me try progressive because I tried them a long time ago. And child. When I put them on, I felt like I was tumbling, but not no more. These are actually made better. New apron, new glasses, new friends. So let's get this new recipe going. Thank you guys. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget, I'm going to say it at the end. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So come on, we're going to get ready and make these corn fritters. Okay, my friends, we are back. We're going to start with the ingredients that I'm going to use. It ain't many, and I'm missing one, but we're going to do it without it because I ain't going to the stove. We're going to go with this 1 cup of flour. I rinsed the bowl out, water was in it. This 1 cup of flour. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of sugar, teaspoon. Because you know me, this is my infamous. And I like them sweet. So we're going to put a couple of teaspoons of sugar. We got some evaporated milk because I ain't got no whole milk. But you know what? We're going to wait on this anyway. Because that's cream corn. We're going to see if we need to add milk. I got 1 egg. We're going to put in here. The only ingredients I'm missing is the baking powder. And it might not matter because we got this. You didn't use much baking powder anyway. You used like a teaspoon or something. The recipe calls for a teaspoon, but I would put a little more than a teaspoon. But that ain't much. That ain't much. That ain't much. That ain't much. So we're gonna open. We're gonna open our cream corn, and we're gonna pour all of that in there. We're gonna mix that up first, and we're gonna see if we need to put a little milk because we want it a little thicky. So when we put it in the pot, to fry, so I'm mixing the egg a little bit. The whole can of cream corn. The whole can. Okay, I'm getting every bit of it. Every bit. I might go back with a little more sugar. When I get it all stirred up, we're gonna taste it and see how sweet it is. Because I ain't gonna tell you no lie. I want it sweet. That's how I remember them. Being nice, sweet little balls of cream corn cooked to a fritter. Well, look at that. We might not need no milk. We might need to put a little bit more flour because it's not thick enough. See? So that was a cup of flour. I'm going to put a little more flour. Maybe a half a cup. Half a cup. Half a cup. Just pour a little bit. Don't pour it all. Let's see what it does for you first before you pour it all. People said the milk make it fluffy. Look at that. Still a little thin. I'm going to put a little bit of milk and then I'm going to put some more flour. We want a little bit of this evaporated milk in it. Milk. We're going to go in with some more flour. I don't know why this measurement isn't working. I'm going to put a whole nother cup. That might have did it. That might have did it, people. So tell me, what you guys are eating today? This is just going to be a snack. I'm just making this as an appetizer or something. I'm going to probably cook something else for dinner. What? I don't know yet. Today is Saturday. Hopefully when you guys see it, it won't be too far past Saturday. You know what? I might make me a seafood boil because you know why? My fiance ain't here. He went away for a couple of days. You know, he travels with this group that he goes different places and speak to the kids. He likes the kids. He likes to help all the kids that he can. So that's what he does. And this group helps him do that. So we're gonna taste it. Let's taste. That ain't bad, but I damn sure, excuse my language, need a little more sugar. I said I want it sweet, so that's what we doing, putting more sugar, and that's gonna be the consistency we leave it at. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it chill a little bit so it can get stiffer. And when we come back, I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes, and when we come back, I'm gonna be dropping them in the grease. Tasting it again. That's it. We're gonna be dropping it in the grease And we're gonna be having us some corn fritters for snack. All right, see you when I come back. Okay, my friends, I'm back with our mixture. While I was going, remember I put it in the refrigerator to try to make it a little thicker, but it didn't work to me, so I put another half a cup of flour, and it seems thicker now. I don't know why the measurements ain't working for me today, but we're gonna still make these fritters. I have this little handy dandy scoop. I was testing it to see how much. I don't want to make them big because I'm making them in this little pot here. I've been heating this grease for a minute. We're gonna drop one to see if it's ready. Oh yeah, see how it's bubbling? Yep. I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna put it, I don't wanna make too many at a time. And we don't wanna crowd the pot. Oops, put that there. We wanna make them brown. When they float back to the top, that means they ready to come out. Look at there. We're gonna have us some corn fritters, people. Yes, yes, we are. Yes, we are. I haven't had corn fritters in a long time. That's what I was telling you. That's probably why my measurements and stuff are all off. Anyway, we're gonna fry up a few of these. I'm gonna come back and I wanna see what's going on with these before I come back. Oh yeah, they getting ready. They about to come to the top. See? See how they about to float to the top? When they float to the top, that means they done. But let me see. Let me see. Oh, look at there. There go one. There go one. Came to the top. We don't want them to stick at the bottom. I feel like that's what they're doing. There go another one. There go one. Let's flip them over. Y'all see that? Let me show you. They're getting brown. See that? Yep, yep. So I'm going to fry up a few more. I'm going to come back. And we will be tasting corn fritters. I hope this is not your first time. But if it is your first time doing corn fritters, make them. Make them, make them, make them. And I'm going to tell you, that recipe I gave you is so easy. You make it the way you want, though. You know, I made mine a little too wet at first, but I used a whole can of corn with only a little bit of flour. I should have measured the flour and made more, put more flour in it from the beginning. But you judge, and you know exactly how you want yours. But you see how they coming out? They getting brown. So I'm gonna get a plate with some paper towel on it. I'm gonna get a paper plate with some paper towel so we can drain the grease. And I'm gonna cook up more, and I'm gonna come back and show them to you. And we're gonna be eating corn fritters. Okay, my friends. This is the next batch here. We're gonna taste them now. Because it's just me. I don't need that many. We just tasting them to see how they taste. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. So, they look good. They look good. They look good. So, come back. I'm going to be tasting one or two. Okay, my friends. Okay, my friends. I'm back with the finished product. You know what? I'm looking at these. They don't look like what I'm used to. I made these before, but I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe my measurements are not right. But we're going to taste it. We're going to definitely taste it. And I'm going to tell you the truth, if these suckers are no good. Because I don't want to lie to you people about the food that I cook. If it's good, it's good. If it ain't, I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know what I did wrong, but let's taste it. You hear that crunch? I'm not going to talk with my mouth on. They not bad, people. They not. They are definitely. I was very skeptical because I ain't like the way they look. But that crunch. Let's score. I'm shocked. I really thought they was gonna taste bad. But they don't taste bad at all. So listen. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. And look for me. Look for me on your algorithm. Search me. Come on, guys. Subscribe to my channel. We're going to be making more food. This is an appetizer. Different stuff for different folks. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, I'm sorry. You know, we're going to do other stuff that you might like, but you got to be on board to see it. So, I'm going to taste this one. Taste it again. A little crunch. But it's good. It's definitely not bad. I thought it was going to be horrible. But it's not. So, on that note, thank you for watching. Thank you for always showing up for me. Making me shine. Or telling me that I need to change some stuff. Let me know. I'm all open ears. But also, stay prayed up. Make sure you pray and thank God for waking you up every day. But on that note, thank you, Jesus. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one.